Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are taking a comprehensive look at 15 free VPN services that help you bypass geo-restrictions and keep your web browsing private. Virtual private networks are essential tools for securing your online connection and getting around regional content blocks. While many providers require a paid subscription, several free options can help protect your data. Keep in mind that features, server availability, and bandwidth caps can change over time. However, these platforms serve as a great baseline if you need quick, secure privacy tools. Let's walk through 15 distinct free VPN options you can explore. Starting off at number 1, we have TunnelBear. TunnelBear is extremely user-friendly and known for its simple, one-click interface. It offers 500 megabytes of free monthly data, with options to earn bonus data through basic promotions. It supports Windows and Mac while giving you access to servers in locations like the United States and the United Kingdom. It's an ideal choice for quickly unblocking a site or checking something securely. Number 2 on our list is OpenVPN. OpenVPN is a high-security SSL and TLS-based protocol and client ecosystem. It provides incredible flexibility and high security without artificial bandwidth limits. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux. Keep in mind that it requires downloading a client and configuring server files, making it a bit more hands-on. Coming in at number 3 is Hotspot Shield. Hotspot Shield is one of the most widely recognized free options available. It is popular for unblocking geo-restricted websites and accessing streaming media across Windows, Mac, and mobile platforms. Its focus on fast speeds and ease of use makes it a favorite among casual users. Number 4 on our list is VPN Book. VPN Book is a completely free service that does not impose artificial data limits. Based in Romania, the service states that it does not collect user activity logs. It supports both PPTP and OpenVPN configurations, working seamlessly on Windows, Mac, and Linux without requiring account registration. At number 5, we have UltraVPN. UltraVPN is an OpenVPN-based client that encrypts and hides your web traffic. It provides unlimited traffic with bandwidth speeds capped at around 500 kilobits per second. Operating mainly on Windows, it's a lightweight solution for basic encrypted web browsing. Moving on to number 6, we have PacketX VPN, also known as Japan VPN. This is an online test service based in Japan designed primarily for Windows and Linux. It offers a solid connection for users needing specialized routing through Asian server locations. Number 7 on the list is CyberGhost. CyberGhost is a well-known, Germany-based privacy provider. Its free tier provides between 1 GB and 10 GB of monthly bandwidth depending on your plan, offering strong encryption and reliable security tools for basic privacy protection. Our 8th option is Tor VPN. Tor VPN limits free usage to around 1 GB of data per month. It gives technical users access to OpenVPN servers, SSH connections, PPTP, and even Tor proxy modes across Windows, Mac, and iOS. Number 9 on our list is SecurityKiss. SecurityKiss does not require any personal registration to get started. It gives you a free data limit of 300 megabytes per day, featuring client-side encryption without complex setup steps. Coming in at number 10 is Your Freedom. Your Freedom offers up to 6 hours per day or 15 hours per week of free access. Supporting Windows, Mac, and Linux, it gives users a flexible way to bypass restrictive firewalls and local internet blocks. Number 11 is USAIP. This service allows you to connect using default demo credentials without registration. The free connection requires you to reconnect every 7 minutes, serving as a quick option if you just need a temporary US internet connection. At number 12, we have GetUSAIP. This service features server endpoints located in data centers across the United States and the United Kingdom. It is designed to help users bypass regional restrictions on major streaming platforms and access region-locked media from anywhere. Number 13 on the list is Spotflux. SpotFlux is a free client that offers system-wide privacy protection. In addition to encrypting your traffic, it includes built-in ad blocking features that clean up your browsing experience, while hiding your original IP address. Our 14th option is Ace VPN. Ace VPN provides free access options alongside its premium tiers. It offers multiple server locations to route your traffic securely, making it a reliable option for basic privacy needs. Finally, at number 15, we have additional notable services, like SoftEther VPN, Anchor-Free Hotspot Shield, and Free VPN by WSC. These platforms provide basic proxy routing and encryption tools. To round out a massive list of options available for users exploring free virtual private network tools. That covers 15 different free VPN options for protecting your internet connection and unblocking content. Remember, free services often come with data limits or speed caps, so always choose the one that fits your specific needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button right now. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more software breakdowns, privacy tips, and tech guides. Leave a comment down below and let us know which VPN service you rely on the most. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.